NordicTrack T 7.5 S Treadmill Review. The NordicTrack T 7.5 S is an updated replacement for the NordicTrack C990, with new features and improved specs while still maintaining an affordable price tag. Many of the residential quality features have been swapped out in the T 7.5 S, providing you instead with things such as a 3.0 chp commercial plus motor, 50 built-in workout programs, Bluetooth-enabled speakers, and other high-quality features. Price. The price on the T 7.5 S often shifts a few hundred up and down, but generally costs $1,099. The T 7.5 S is built for users who need engaging treadmill features. Let's face it, a lot of treadmills become dusty, unused purchases because they lack the ability to draw you in. With the T 7.5 S, you can enjoy 50 built-in exercise programs as well as the excellent iFit coach training programs, which allow you to work out with high-energy trainers who will keep your motivation high and your fitness on track. Want an affordable treadmill without sacrificing excellence? Investing in your health and fitness doesn't have to break the bank, but you also don't have to settle for a cheap treadmill that will break down in a few months. By choosing the T 7.5 S, you can enjoy an affordable treadmill whose quality you can feel confident in. Are looking to walk or jog? With the 3.0 chp commercial motor, you can easily walk or jog on the T 7.5 S. This treadmill will be up for some light running, but if you are a serious runner, it may not be the right treadmill for you. Why the T 7.5 S earned 4.1 stars out of 5. For those looking for a good treadmill to maintain their health and fitness, we have found the T 7.5 S to be a great option which held up well against similarly priced treadmills. The T 7.5 S is an affordable, good quality treadmill. It comes packed with excellent exercise programs. Ranks well against other treadmills in its price range. Main specs 8/10. Specs quick review. Motor size 3.0 chp. Running area 20 inches W by 60 inches. L. Weight capacity 300 pounds. Folding, yes. Footprint in use WLH 35.5 by 78.5 by 59 inches. Incline range 0% to 12%. Max speed 12 miles per hour. Treadmill best for walkers, joggers. Electrical requirements 120 volts. Motor size, equipped in the T 7.5 S as a commercial plus 3.0 chp Dirks motor. This motor runs relatively quietly, allowing you to work out without disturbing family members or neighbors. Running area, standard for quality treadmills in this price range. The T 7.5 S treadmill running area measure 20 inches wide and 60 inches long. Weight capacity, the max weight capacity for the T 7.5 S is 300 pounds. If you are looking for higher weight capacity without crazy high prices, Sole treadmills are a good option. Folding, you can fold up the T 7.5 S easily, thanks to the hydraulic easy lift system. This lift system also allows you to lock the deck in the upright position by simply raising the deck high enough. The deck can be released with the press of the lever and can lower down hands-free to the floor. Space footprint, measuring 35.5 wide, 78.5 long, and 59 inches tall, the T 7.5 S is a fairly compact treadmill. While the length of this treadmill may mean you need to carefully measure the space you are intending to place it, the T 7.5 S can compactly fold up out of the way when not in use. Max speed, reach a top speed of 12 miles per hour on the T 7.5 S. We don't recommend going to this speed too often on this treadmill, as the pounding workout may wear it down faster. Incline, the available incline range on the T 7.5 S is 0% to 12%, which is enough range to ramp up your calorie burn. Other treadmills in this price range can often go up to 15% incline, so this slightly restricted range is a small mark against this treadmill. Features 8/10. Features quick review. Display, 7 inches Smart HD touchscreen. Pre-installed workout apps, 50. Speakers, yes. Fans, yes. Heart rate monitoring, EKG handlebar grips. USB port, no. Audio jack, yes. Water bottle cubbies, yes. Device holder, no. Workout apps, choose from 50 different workout programs on the T7.5S, allowing you to enjoy variety when you exercise. The programs are organized so you can select them based on your fitness level, which allows you room to improve. Along with the expansive workout programs, you will be given a year of access to iFit Coach when you buy the T7.5S through NordicTrack. With iFit Coach, you can work out with a variety of world-class personal trainers, following them through beautiful areas all from the treadmill touchscreen. Display, you can become immersed in your treadmill workouts when you use the 7 inches, high-definition touchscreen. It is responsive to the touch, even when your hands are sweaty, and lets you easily navigate through the workout programs and your exercise data. Speakers, there are Bluetooth speakers under the touchscreen display so that you can sync your Bluetooth device up with the T7.5S when synced. The sound clarity is better than when using the audio jack, which also comes with this treadmill. Fans, below the speakers, there is a strong fan built into the T7.5S, which can be set to automatically adjust to your workout intensity. You can also manually set it at multiple speed settings to keep you cool during your workout. Heart rate monitoring, you can use the EKG handlebar grips to take a broad look at your heart rate when using the T7.5S. Like on all treadmills, these kinds of pulse grips are not overly accurate but can give you a ballpark estimate of your heart rate. Other tech features. Bluetooth enabled. Secondary device holding tray. Emergency stop key. Check product link in description. Build quality 8/10. T7.5S review, build quality. Warranties 1 year labor, 3 year parts, lifetime frame and motor. Belt, commercial tread belt. Roller size 1.9. Cushioning, FlexSelect cushioning. Customer support, live chat, phone, email. Return policy 30-day guarantee. The frame of the T7.5S is light enough to handle easily while still being sturdy enough for multiple users to enjoy the treadmill on a daily basis. You will also receive a durable treadmill belt with the T7.5S, as it comes with a commercial tread belt. Another helpful feature on the T7.5S is the FlexSelect cushioning. By turning the orange shock absorbers located under the deck, you can adjust how cushioned your deck is to suit your preference. A solid warranty covers the T7.5S, with the frame and the motor being covered for the life of the treadmill. The parts are covered for 3 years and labor to repair the treadmill will be covered for 1 year. To ensure you can access the warranty coverage, be sure to register your T7.5S on the NordicTrack website. To send back your T7.5S, you will need to contact NordicTrack and arrange for the return. Once it has been arranged, your refund will have a 10% restocking fee assessed, unless the return was done due to you receiving a defective treadmill. Bottom line review of the NordicTrack T7.5S treadmill. After extensively reviewing the T7.5S, we have found this treadmill to be an excellent addition to NordicTrack's current treadmill lineup. It not only comes with the high-quality technological features which have become associated with NordicTrack, but it also performs well, running smoothly and relatively quietly. So, if you are a walker or jogger looking for a treadmill that will help support your health and fitness goals for years to come, then you should consider the T7.5S. Check product link in description.
Let it go, make my body go. Make our bodies higher and higher.